Role of policy and law in healthcare. For HCA-320 Healthcare Law, Policy and Regulations, Instructor Dr. Edwards. Overview. The role of health policy and the law in today's society, problems with policy and law, and why policy making is needed. The role of health policy in the law in today's society. Policy and law in healthcare allows for standardization across the board with all healthcare systems. Policy and law in healthcare gives healthcare employees protection and confidence within their system. Healthcare coverage is a major topic in today's society, and different acts, policy, and proposals are relevant to society. Public health has dramatically improved due to healthcare law and policy. Legal and policy interventions have successfully improved public health by passing laws like smoke-free air laws and seatbelt laws. Problems with policy and law include all policy and laws in healthcare are a hot-button issue, causing many tax dollars to be used for repealing and replacing policies and laws. Some policies and laws designed to protect the general public are wildly shot down by lawmakers because of the interest of healthcare systems, not the patient. There are multiple policies and laws that are introduced to keep prescription medication pricing down to allow for the greater good of society. These laws are shot down due to the interest in making money for the healthcare systems. Pharmaceuticals have placed a monopoly on how many different brands and manufacturers can make certain medications to ensure there is no competition. Why policy making is needed. Policy in healthcare is vitally important as it sets a general plan of action used to guide desired outcomes and is a fundamental guideline to help make decisions. Policy in the healthcare environment sets the foundation for giving the best care possible. Policies are there so that a hospital decision does not make an illogical, irrational, or possibly even an illegal decision. It is important to cover all your bases with federal and state requirements to ensure compliance. When creating a policy manual, be sure to have those guidelines on hand. New regulations with the Affordable Care Act, HIPAA, and meaningful use will also require certain policies for organizations.